Catfish? Seriously? If it's another catfish, I swear. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. That line is caught in his teeth. Oh, it's catfish? I just can't get away from these catfish. Ooh, here's the bigger ones that we were talking about. Yep, they are kind of pretty. I won't lie. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kayak Adventures. We're gonna get out on the kayak today. Let's get after it. What we're gonna start out throwing is this little swim bait. I don't think it's very deep. A lot of birds are over here, and it's gonna be loud. But we got quite a bit of area to explore. Probably should have brought my anchor out. And I saw a stingray already. Maybe that's a good sign. But also, we should be seeing stuff up under these mangroves. Yeah, I thought I'd check out this area first, see what we can see. There's definitely bait back here. There's something. Ooh. Oh, trout. Okay. Hold on. Definitely took a trout. No, hold on, hold on, hold on. You're almost free, you're almost free, you're almost free. There we go. Little trout. There you go. Shot of teeth. Colors. Thanks for playing, bud. Ready? A 1 and a 2 and a 3. Definitely take a trout. If there's one, there should be more. It is loud over here. Oh no. I wonder if it's the same, I guess, bass fishing, if they're like shadows and stuff, is what I'm meaning. I don't know if that's just bait fish or if someone's going after the bait fish. I mean, it looks like something's spooking them. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna tie on a shrimp real quick. I'll be back. Alright, we got the shrimp on. I think that white shows up a little better in the stained water. I'm gonna try going back in that corner one more time, and then we'll start heading back out. Okay, yeah, you know what? The shrimp is good. Don't get me wrong, I caught a lot of trout with the shrimp. Feeling this swim bait's gonna do a whole lot better, especially right now. And we already caught a trout on this, so it's not like they're not gonna hit it. Oh, stingray. You see that? Oh, stingray again. Dude, it's so cool fishing in Florida. Oh, someone just hit right there. We're gonna try to hit these mangroves over here. It's definitely a little deeper. I'm gonna hit those over there. Let's see. It's definitely gonna push us backwards, so. Ooh, manatee. See that manatee tail? We don't want to catch him. That's for sure. Again, I want to leave the manatees alone. Obviously, I think you're supposed to anyways, so. We're getting pushed back, so what I might end up doing is going up and then float down. Just kind of move with the water instead of trying to constantly fight against it. So, I'll be back. Alright, I thought about going up to that corner. We're just gonna start here. Catfish? Seriously? We're catching catfish out here? Oh my god. Oh, stop it. You are not what I want out here at all. Well, it's another fish. Saltwater cat. Thanks for playing. Not at all what I want. Saltwater cats are aggressive though. They've caught too many on a swim bait. it's another catfish, I swear. Oh my gosh. Looks like the same one. Another saltwater cat. Another one. Thanks for playing. I'm telling you, this is not at all what we want.
It's a fish, don't get me wrong.
Oh! That was a little jack. Just got hit. It's another catfish. Oh! That was something different. Oh, shoot. Trout. Trout. Oh no. Oh no. That line is caught in his teeth. Oh, he's gonna... Okay. Oh, hold on. It's right there. Just re-hooked yourself. There you go. Another trout. Buddy just... I can't. Another trout. Thanks for playing. You ready? Can you see all the colors? I hope you can. Ready? A 1 and a 2 and a U. Oh, there he goes. I'll take trout. I want to get something else too, like jack, but trout are fun. They're pretty fish. Better than catfish. What I really want is a snook or redfish. Got it. Alright, well, I'll be back. Sunken ship. Okie dokie. Oh, okay. Bunch of bait over here. Hoping we see a jack around. I think, so I was talking to a guy on the ramp, and I think I can actually go up over on that right side. I don't know if you guys can see those posts, but believe I can go over there. I am a little concerned about my kayak. Seems like there's water still getting in, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna be good or bad. A lot of bait. I probably should have stayed over in that area, but I always wanted to come try over here. We're in the middle of some mullet. That's for rootin' tootin' sure. For rootin' tootin' sure. Sure. Oh, sea turtle. Baby sea turtle. Oh, we went. Alright, I'll be back. We're at a new spot. I got some shrimp too, so wind might make it a little tough on us today. It's Florida, so we're gonna go back up over that way. I can't tell if there's grass down there or if it's fish. Oh, it's crabs. It's crabs down there. Well, pretty sure I just had a trout on on the frozen shrimp. I don't know how it didn't get hooked. Oh! Okay, that one definitely felt a little better too. Listen, I'm out here to catch fish. Would I like to get certain species? Of course. But until I truly figure out how to get them, I'm good with catching whatever, wherever, however. Probably should just be using pieces of shrimp, scramps, but swimming at me. Oh, it's catfish? That's why it felt better. Gosh dang, man. Just can't get away from these catfish. Oh, what the hell is that? Is that eggs? I think that's catfish eggs. You know, I haven't really seen a big catfish. You know what I mean? Like, freshwater, you can get some big catfish. Maybe come out further. Remember when I said I was okay with catching anything? I don't want to catch catfish. Ooh. This one feels a little better. It's probably a catfish. Yeah. Here's the bigger ones that we were talking about. They are kind of pretty. I won't lie. Bro isn't done fighting, that's for sure. Done? Settled? Get your freaking eye. Gosh dang it, dude. Okay. Oh, it's a bigger one. It's pretty. And he pooped. Is currently pooping. Sorry, bud. Freaking slime these guys leave is unbelievable. Well, it was a bigger fish. 'Twas a bigger fish. Alright, that's all. Alright, what's up everyone? I'm back over in this cove. You're on my chest this time. I couldn't decide if I start back here or if I go out first. 'Cause it's still pretty early. Yeah, we got hit. Little trout. Oh! There it goes. I'll tell you where this cut bait would be really good. Over by this locks. Maybe that's what we go do first. Goodness gracious. Okay, I'm gonna go over to the locks. I'll be back. That's disgusting. Alrighty. We are at the end of the locks. I don't really know how I'm gonna stay in place, but I mean, I could just hold on to the side. What I probably need to do is get it up under, because I think it's gonna drift out on us. We could just let the pole sit here. I mean, it's gonna be pretty easy to tell when something picks it up. I think something has it. Someone was messing with it. Might just be crab or little fish. Hey! Oh, it's a catfish. Ouch. Seriously? It's not what I was wanting at all. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. I specifically put on bigger bait. I wouldn't have to deal with you guys. There you go. Another catfish. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3. guess I need to go bigger. Oh, dolphins.